Girl, I almost forgot to set this face. How could you guys let me almost leave and go to school without setting my face? Hey guys, I'm Necee and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a makeup look that I think is perfect for once you guys get ready to go back to school. It's actually the makeup look I have on my face. It's super simple and easy. I only used a few products and it took me no time at all. I totally understand the struggles of having to wake up early and wanting to look put together but just not really having that much time to do so, especially to do a full glammed look. With that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into it. To start off, I am going to prime the face. I'm going to go in with Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I really love this primer because it's almost like a moisturizer, but it still does the job of a primer. I'm just going to go ahead and rub this all over my face and bring it down to my neck as well. I'm also going to go in with Hard Candy's Sheer Envy's Primer Mist. You totally don't have to do this step. I'm just extra and I like that extra added hydration. Whew. I'm telling you guys, that stuff is amazing. For the face, I'm going to go in with IT Cosmetics CC Cream. I really love this because it's pretty much a BB cream, but it also is full coverage. So I think it's perfect for school because it's still lightweight, but it gives you that full coverage that you would get from a foundation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to go ahead and dot this all over my face and blend it out with my beauty blender. Now we're just going to go ahead and add some concealer under our eyes. This is going to work really well to bring some more brightness to the face and make you look more awake. Today I'm just going to go in with L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Glow Concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and conceal under my eyes and bring it down around my nose just because I have some redness there and I do want to add some more coverage. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out with the same beauty blender. To set my under eyes as well as the face, I'm going to go in with RCMA's No Color Powder. I really love this powder because it's lightweight and it just sinks right into the skin and it leaves you with such a flawless finish. Now that we are all set, we look pretty flat, so let's go ahead and add some color back into our face. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with Physicians Formula's Butter Bronzer. I really love this bronzer because you can go quite subtle with it, or you can go in with more of a heavy hand and really go in on your bronzer. For today's look, since we are doing one that is more appropriate for school, we don't want to do too much. We just want to add some color back into our face. So I am just going to go ahead and bronze up the perimeters of my face. Put whatever's extra onto my nose just to add some color there. And then I am going to also blend some down onto my neck. For blush, I'm going to go in with this here from NYC. This is their Sun and Bronze Bronzing Powder in the shade Hamptons Radiance. I really love this because it's pretty much like a blush, bronzer, and a highlight all in one. It's quite similar to a shimmer brick. I'm just going to go ahead and blend this onto my cheeks. I'm just going to also dust some on my nose and a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Now, as you guys can see, that product does add a subtle glow to the skin, And you can totally stop here, but because I am extra, I am just going to go in with this highlight here from Essence. This is their Pure Nude highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight. Now this highlight isn't beaming or anything crazy like that. It is pretty subtle as well, but it's just so I can have a little bit extra oomph. I am just going to go ahead and add this to the high points of my cheekbones, my Cupid's bow, and the point of my nose as well. So as you guys can see the difference there, that's with it and that's without. So I'm just going to just add a bit. Now I am also just going to just kind of clean up our bronzer just a little bit, and how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to take the RCMA powder and I'm just going to take this straight edge brush and just kind of make a line like that. I'm not going to bake it or anything. I am going to just wipe it away, but it's just so that we can have more of a cleaner line. Totally don't have to do this step either. I'm just extra once again. I'm just also going to just blend and buff everything else on my face. Now for mascara, I am going to be going in with L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I really love this mascara because it's super inexpensive and it really does give you that volume and length. For the lips, I'm going to be going in with this here from CoverGirl. It's in the shade Parfait. I'm not too sure what it's called because the name has rubbed off, but I will be sure to put that down in the description box, as well as all the other products that I've used today as well. I really love this because it's pretty much like a lip balm, but it's tinted and it gives off this really nice, pretty, and pink color. So today, to set the face, I'm going to go in with Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. I really love this product and I do feel like my makeup literally stays on all day and all night once I spray this on. So I'm just going to give this a shake and go ahead and give myself a couple sprays. Alright guys, so that's it. This is the finished look. As you guys can see, it was super simple and easy, and I only used a few products like I said in the beginning. So if you guys like this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. I do upload a new video every week. And go ahead and also leave me a comment down below of any videos that you guys might want to see me do next. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!